Hey everyone, so in a comment on one of my videos recently, someone said, can you do a review of a single shot side loader? So there is one, okay? It's from SMW Engineering. They seem to have a lot of good reviews and I thought I'd give it a go. So let's check it out. Okay, so the instructions say you should lube the probe ring. Okay, so the little O-ring inside where the probe seal is, okay, which is in there like so. So I've got a little bit of gun grease. Let's just put a little bit onto what I like to use for delicate jobs like this. Something really small, like a cocktail stick, because it's very fine, and as long as you're careful with it, you can be very gentle. So, gently spread it around on the probe seal, because it is an O-ring. And they do dry out. Don't put too much on. Just so it kind of covers it really, so you can see a sheen. You don't want to see any gloopy bits. Any gloopy bits, just wipe off. And you don't want gloopy bits going down the barrel. Okay. So there's a nice sheen on there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and the reason why I'm still inside, is I'm going to do a dry run with this. So I know how it works, and I thought I might as well film it as well. Okay, so making sure the lock-in probe is open on the R10. Cocking it. I'm presuming it goes in that way. I've seen all the pictures and it looks like that. Okay, when it's in. So I'm going to slide it in. Push the locking probe in. And I'm hoping I should be able to pull out a little bit. There we go. So you put it out a little bit and you can put the pellet in. And then you slide it in. The probe is holding it in, and then push the bolt forward, and it's in there. It's not going to go anywhere. So let's just dry fire one off. Safety back on. Just run that through again so I know what I'm doing. Taking it out. Safety probe locked on, goes in that way. Flick the switch, it slides out, pellet can go in, slide it in. Fire in, safety back on. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to run some pellets through it now. Let's take it outside. Okay, so here we are, we're outside. It's evening time, you might hear the starlings squawking a little bit. There's loads of starlings right there. Okay, so we're going to try this single shot loader out here. So why not, let's just give it a go. So, we cock the rifle so we can slide out the loader. Insert a single pellet. Push that in, ready to fire. Safety off. Let's look down at the target, see what happens. That might just be a bad aim. Let's put a few through, see what happens. is a bit fiddly. Not too bad once you get used to it, I suppose. It's a bit strange having to not cock and shoot, cock and shoot, cock and shoot. You have to pull out. It's a bit like with an old Springer. You have to cock it, put one in. It was a little bit different at first. All going through the same group now. So accurate. Put one last one through. Let's put one last one through. So, is that worth the money? Yeah. Okay, it's just over 10 quid. 3D printed. They come in bright yellow as well, if you want a bright yellow one. It's just as accurate as it is with a multi-shot. I like it. So there you go, guys. There's my little review of the multi-shot loader. I'll put a link in the description. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks very much. Bye bye.